Welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show you a vehicle management web app using the Google Sheet database and Google Web App Script. So now you can see here a data table where you can find your data which is available in your Google Sheet database in your Google Sheet data sheet. Okay. So now you can apply multiple features like edit the data. For example, if you want to edit this data and your car is being delivered on the 28th and the transfer is select to the delivered and click on the update. So when you click on this update, so your data is going to be successfully updated and update your data on the web app also real time. So when you change, it will immediately change on your web app, not need to refresh your web application. So now if you want to see only so this is the dashboard look of your vehicle management app. So this is the actually this is the filters buttons right now, and I also tell you how much data in which filters. For example, if you want to filter all the data, so you can simply click on this all data, so you can see all the data is here. I can minimize this to understand you better. I can minimize it more so you can understand it. If I click on this all the data, so you can see here all data will be shown here. If I click on this delivered, so you can see here only the delivered data I can able to see. So if you will click on this received, so you can see here only received data you can able to see. So if you see click on this in maintenance, so you can also, so basically these are the containers which are basically filters data on the base of particular status. Okay, and also show you how much data, how much cars available in which status mode. And the second feature in this web application, we have a date range filtration. I will select all the data, and from here I can able to apply the date filter from the 31st to today and click on this apply date filter. So when I am going to click on this apply date filter, so all the data will come in this date range, so it will show all the data. So if I click on this one and click on apply date filters, so now you can see here no data is available in these particular dates. So I just click on this clear filters, so now you can able to see all the data again. So here are option of the columns. For example, if you want to see the major columns in your database, not all the columns, so you wanna hide that. For example, you wanna hide the name and the driver name, the driver email, contact, car notes, and last updated. So now you can also select this, only you can able to view the required data in your front end. So if you want to copy all of this data, you can simply click on this copy. And if you want to create a CSV file, so you can also create a CSV file. And for example, if you have a thousand of data, so you can also view a custom. For example, you want to view 500 data on a single page, so you can simply set here 500 and click on this set. So if you will enter here 0, it will say you please enter a positive integer. So you want to enter a +1. So when you click on this +1, it will show you 1. And if you set it to 2, it will show you only 2 data per page. So when you're going to the next video, next part, you will also see the 2. Okay, so this is your custom data view filter. Okay, so now if you want to add, now the question is that how I can add the data. So right now here we have added a driver image, so you can also upload the driver image to indicate the pictures of the driver, to indicate the driver and verify the driver. Okay, so when you click on this add new, so now you can see able to see a form add new record. Okay, so here you will enter a add new record. For example, you want to add RM1 to see changes number 345, and the type is Toyota, and the type is Toyota, and the name is Ramesh, and the status is just in received. Okay, the driver plate number is 56, driver name is Ali, and the driver email ID is, for example, sample at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so driver contact is 3 to whatever you want. The driver card taken, the driver card taken means on which date you have received a car from your driver, and the card delivered is the card driver card delivered date is the date on which date you will give the car to the driver. So if you have any extra notes from your driver, from your car owner, you can add also it. For example, a need oil change and etc. You can enter whatever you want, and also you can select the choose image, and you can select any image and click on this submit. So when you click on this submit, so you will see here a pop-up uploading, please wait, we are upload your data. So now you can able to see the success message, data saved successfully. You just simply click on this okay. So now you can see here the data is comes here on the main time in the real time. So here's a logout button also available. So now you can see here the logout features. So in this I wanna tell you, in this system we have a admin and the user mode. You have a admin and the user mode. So whenever you enter the data in the nth column, the data added by the username comes here. So it will indicate which users have which data. Okay, so now you can see here, here's the access type user. So here's the admin type. So you can simply select it here. For example, if I am going to click on this user admin, so now I am able to see all the data. So if I am select the user, it will only show me mine data. Example, I will just go it here and enter the user one, and the password is here. I will just enter it here and click on this login. So when I am going to click on this login, so now you can able to see I have no data of this particular user. So whenever a user enter a data, I will enter a sample data here for just for your reference, and driver card taken, and click on this submit. So when I am going to click on this submit, so now you can see here this user have only one data. So in this kind you can share this web application to multiple users to add their own workshop, to add their own car garage data to here. So they can utilize and easily track their delivered car, received car, in maintenance car, transfer and out of service. And also if you wanna add your customized features in this web application, you can approach us through WhatsApp. We can also do a customized project for you in a very reasonable budget according to your requirements. So this is our vehicle management web application using the Google Sheet and web app script. Okay, so hope so you like this concept. So now whenever you receive this link on your side, so you will see so you will see this kind of interference. So when you see this kind of interference, you just need to click on this make a copy, and when you click on this make a copy, you can see able to see this kind of a Google Sheet in front of you. You simply just click on this extensions and click on this Appscript icon, and when you click on this Appscript, so now you just need to simply click on this deploy icon, need to new deployment, and when you click on the new deployment, click on this setting icon and web app, and here you will select it to anyone and click on the deploy. So when you click on this deploy, so you can able to see a link which you can able to use to access your web application. So this link is will be shared to any of your friends, to any of your vendor to enter the data. Also we have added a footer. You can also update the footer through the index.html file editor. So hope so you like this concept, and please watch our video. If you watch the video complete, please do a comment and also subscribe our channel. Please subscribe, because subscribe is too much helpful for me. So take care. Thank you very much.